free food is hiding in plain sight. So every year I take seeds from lettuce, and every year there are a few seeds that escape my attention, so they will self-sown them. So free lettuce without doing any work, but they are not in the ideal spot to grow to their full potential. So today we are transplanting this lettuce to our 4 square meter vegetable garden. So here they are, our free lettuce plants. So yeah, they are here between the strawberries, and yeah, this is not the ideal location to grow to their full potential. So we will transplant this lettuce to our 4 square meter vegetable garden, and I will show you 3 manners of how to scoop out these lettuce plants and transplant them. Because they are in the full ground and not in a module, I can use just a regular garden shovel, put it in a bit, loosen up the soil, and just take out the lettuce plant with most of the roots. I will do the same for the other one. Make the ground loose and pull it out, and you have most of the roots. The second option, you can use a specialized tool for scooping out transplants. I just 3D printed this, but what you will do is you go in with these legs, and you will do the same, of course, as with the shovel, but you have less chance of destroying the roots. Afterwards, you will pull out the lettuce. And now the manner with no tools, but maybe the fastest one. You just put your finger in the soil, and you push it out. So on all the manners we have the same result. Most of the roots will be intact. And here we are at our 4 square meter vegetable garden. We have planted a row of lettuce, a row of spinach. I have sown a row of radishes, which all, like I see, they are germinated. So here I have sown some peas. So I will make another line to be sure that I'm not planting them in a row of peas, of course. I will make a rough line, and the line is just to know where to put in the salads. And here for planting, you have a lot of options on how you can do it. You can use your finger, make a hole with your finger. The downside is that there will be dirt under your fingernails. For me it's not a problem, because we are gardeners. But you can also use a dibber or just a stick to make a hole. Now for planting, nothing difficult on sowing or planting lettuce, transplanting lettuce. You will just put the roots in the hole, close the hole, and you're done. So when I transplant them, I will plant it until the first. They are not the first leaves, but these leaves they appear when the seed is germinating. So I will put it in the ground like this. Close the hole. And if you want to have an aesthetic garden, the first salads they are green, and now I will plant out a red one. So also here, because it's not because they are vegetables you can't play with colors. A lot of varieties have different colors, so it's always nice to play with colors. So we have a green, a red one, and yeah, you can do all sort of things. Do the things that you are liking. Whoop. The last one went in this row, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left. They are a bit smaller, but yeah, I will also plant them out. So all of our lettuces are in the ground, and now I just water them in to give it some moisture so they can grow happily here in our 4 square meter vegetable garden. So don't be afraid to scoop out some seedlings that are not at an ideal spot. Just prick them out, plant them in another spot, and here they can grow to their full potential. And it's beside my house, so I can harvest a lot of salads here on a quick way. Yeah, that's it for this video. I will say happy gardening, and see you in the next. Peace.